Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how some of these scammers create Ponzi investment website. And in this website they'll tell you to do some things to participate in certain things on the site. And when you do that, you have to deposit money to participate. Probably the first set of people that actually do these things, so they'll actually invest or they'll actually deposit their money, they'll get their money back. They'll use that as a marketing strategy. And when others start doing it, they would actually get nothing in return. So this video I want to show you, this video is awareness video, is a cybersecurity video that I'm going to show you how these scammers create Ponzi investment website. Now this video is for educational purpose only. If you're not a developer, please pass. If you're a developer, stay tuned so that you learn how these how these are created and you understand very well. In case you see a video like this, because I've gotten a lot of people come to my DM and send me a site, they'll be like, please, is this site a is it a scammer site or is it a scam site? And I'll tell them, yes, this is a scam site. So as a developer, you should have this knowledge that when you see this kind of site, you understand how it functions. You know that, okay, this site is a Ponzi investment website, and you can tell people to avoid this site. So in this cyber awareness tutorial, I'm going to show you how scammers create Ponzi investment website that allows you go there to perform function, and you think you're actually working for your money, whereas in true nature, you are not working for anything. You just invest your money and they pay you back so that you can bring a lot of people to the website. So let's get started. Now, a lot of them use some hosting and domain name that are actually what's it called now, dark web and black sided. So this one I'm using it for just practical purpose, so I'm going to use Asura for this. Now what they do is they go to the hosting, they go for their domain name. So let's say certified invest, let's assume this is what they are using. Now what they now do is they go and check if the name is available. There are a lot of dark web hosting available, so there are 1,000,001 that people can go to and check. So they check it if it's available. So let's do the both. Now once you're done, they click on search so that they'll check if their domain name is available. Now the reason they can't use this, they can't use some of these web hostings because they are easily trackable, whereas dark web and DCMA web hosting are not, and they are actually secure. So those ones are what they use. Now they get their domain name, and then once they check that the domain name is available, they also pay for their web hosting and get a developer to develop them a file just like the one we're going to be using. So right now let me use currency called Nigeria. Let's use Nigerian currency as well. Then we enter our domain name again, certify. Right, so I'm going to click on search. So once their domain name is available, they see that, okay, this domain name is available. Or let me go back and do that. Azure always go up with this issue. I don't know, they should try to work on it. Sometimes they just have this issue for no reason. Okay, so let's start from the hosting then, since Azure is acting up today. So this is it. This was the domain name we are checking out. So if it doesn't work now, if it goes back to that issue, go to SIP and the web hosting and start from there, because that one works perfectly. But sometimes when you search for this that domain name, you have that same issue popping up most times. So you see, complete recapture. This, I don't know if it's a flutter their SSL error or whatever, I don't even know. So let's go from the hosting. Now click on the hosting. Now assuming they are using this first plan, they get their plan, click on order now, and then they can type in their domain name. So let's say invest okay, certify. Right, so once they do check, it's going to check if the name is available. As you can see, it's available. So you can click on continue at 19 18. So then they can pay for a year. Normally this site they don't allow to get to a year. They just do it for like a 3 months, 6 months interval, and then they shut it down. So they'll pay for annually and then click on continue. So they'll click on continue and then make payment. So all this they have to do because they have to save their DNS, protect their ID, and allow email forwarding so that they don't have any issue. So the purpose they do these things is because they don't want to be trackable. Do you understand? So that you can't easily track them. So now they make payment to most of this hosting. I said they don't use credit card because credit card is easily trackable. So after filling the details, now these details they get from fake name generator. If you don't know yet what that is, just go to Google and type a fake name generator. So fake name generator, you can get any details of any person you're looking for. So May America. You can even get the person's social security number from the US or any other country, United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, whatever places. Right. So once you are done, so when they are done, they come here and pay with crypto, right? And that's all. Once they pay with crypto, that's all. Alright, so once they make payments, they click on checkout and make payment. They have given a cPanel. So this is our cPanel for this tutorial. Alright, so on this cPanel, I want to go to my file manager, open in a new tab, which I already have here. So there's no need to do that. I already have it here. So now I already have my own domain name and hosting that I'm using for this tutorial purpose. So for them on the after purchasing, they'll be giving their details. Now they'll go to a developer to give them access to a file just like this one. So I already have the file here. So to give them access to a file just like this. So the developer will develop the file for them. So what they want to do, they'll come here and click on upload. So now the developer will give them access to the file. So once they come, they'll just put the file like this. Sorry, drag the file and drop the file. So once they drag the file and drop the file, it will upload on their server, right? So let's issue file uploading on their server. So you just wait for it to upload. Depending on your internet connection, it can either be fast or slow. So all you just have to do is to wait for your internet connection or to have a good internet connection to upload. Alright, so once the file is uploaded, they click on go back. So the next thing they do is to extract. Now the reason I'm taking my time to go through this as little as possible is so as much everyone gets an idea how this is done as a developer. Understand? Now you want to come to the .env file and click on edit. Go back. The next thing is to look for your database. So click on it and click on download. Now once you're done downloading it, you want to go to your cPanel and look for database in database wizard. So I'm clicking on it and opening it in a new tab. Then I saw PHP my admin, so this one as well. So on database wizard, I want to call this v3. Click on next. So I'll call this v3 again, and I'm going to copy this separately, put it here. So to this as well. So click on create user. So the next thing, I click on all privilege, make changes, and you have your database created. So you come to your env file. Now you replace this part with the database. So this one, and this one. So then on you also replace your domain name here. So I'm going to copy the domain name of our website. So this is the domain name I'm using for this. So I'm going to place it here. Alright, so I'm going to do this. So you can set up your mailer if you want, but I'm going to click on save changes. Now with database, I'm going to reload it. So now this is the v3 created. I remember the database we downloaded, so I'm going to click on import, choose file, and import the database we just downloaded. And then now the database is done. Now before anything, let me set up the admin. So you have two admin here. So I'm going to use the super admin account. So I'm going to change the password 123456, and then go to password php hash function. So I'm going to click on go. So you have the admin and our new password. Alright, so let's go and check out the site and see how these people work on these things. So next time if you fall for something like this, oh, did we save the .env file? We did save it. Okay, so what are we missing out? This has been saved. What is what's this called? PHP version, not PHP. Let's do PHP version. So let me see. 8.1 EA is 8. Oh, I forgot something. Actually. Sorry guys, this domain has actually expired. I forgot it has expired. Let me move it now. Still the same process. Let me move it to this one. Still the same process as I said, but I just want to move everything to this one. That domain has expired. and I've not actually renewed it because I don't need it. I just use this other one for my tutorial. So let me move it here. Now come here, just change the domain name. All right, so let me do that now. So if we go to Google, if I go into Chrome and type in the name again. All right, so this is it. So everything we did before, that is how it's done, but that domain name has expired, so that is why it won't work. So this is it now. So the next thing, they'll ask you to enter your mobile number. So let's say this is my number, and then they will ask you to enter a password. Oh, you have to register an account first. So let's go to register an account. So assuming this is it, yeah. Alright, I'm going to click on register now, and this is it. So you come across a site like this, and all they tell you is to deposit money and then perform tasks and you get paid. Whereas the truth is, even if you performed all the tasks, you will get paid. You understand? So you see something like this. So I like load because of the internet connection. Just give it some time. Alright, so it has actually load, and this is how it looks. So you hear something like you have to perform tasks daily. So you click on your tasks, and when you get to your task, you see some tasks that they ask you to do. But in order for you to perform those tasks to make money, you have to deposit. That is what you understand now. This is actually a scam system. Why do I have to deposit to work so I can make money? Do you understand? So why don't I just work and then you give me the money? Why do I have to make deposit? So that is how this whole system function, guys. So everything you do, it start counting and the duration and everything before they start pay you. But in order to participate in the task, you have to go to product, and some of them call it different product, and you have to purchase one plan. So on this vest plan for $50, you're only allowed to do one task, and your withdrawal limit is $5. So the second plan, you are allowed to do one task. That's just how it works. So once you buy a plan, you can be able to perform tasks. So if you go here to your team, you still see the teams. So commission rate if you refer people. That's why I say it's a business of referral. So you see the commission rate as well. Now when you go to mine, you can see the deposit option, the withdrawal option, then the tax function, and you can see your earning record, customer service, recharge record, withdraw record, and all that. All right. So this is how built-in function when you are told to actually go bring somebody, or you are told to perform tasks to get paid, and then at the end of the day you think, you say this is a legit site. No, it's actually a scam site. So That is how all these things function. So when you want to do, you just tell them, oh, let me recharge, and then you pay now, and then your money gets to someone else's account. Maybe they might pay you for the first few plans, but after then, I'm sorry, you might not see your money again. So if I'm going to check the mobile view, this is how it looks on mobile. So everyone have actually come across a site like this, right? Okay, let me take you to the admin now and see how they operate the site. So I'm going to log out. So I'm going to click on /admin. So on this admin, I'm going to type in our admin. Remember, we change our password that time, so to 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'm going to log in. All right, so I'm not going to save this, but this is how it's all function, right? This is how it all function. So here is your manage admin reference to subscription plan, PTCR. This is where they give you task and then tell you, go and watch this video, go and click on this link, go to YouTube and watch this video. This is the engagement that is seen, and this is the report. This is the user plan. This is the payment gateway when they tell you pay with so and so on. So this is it. All this payment gateway are used to actually cause you to deposit your money, and then you think you are working for the system, and that's all. Your money is actually with them. So this is it. General setting. You can change the currency to USD and all that. So system configuration. What do you want? Can people transfer balance? Can user register, agree policy, KYC verification, email verification, email notification. So once all these are set, they are ready to take your money. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you on my next video. So thanks for watching now. Bye for now, guys.